Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to make an iCloud backup of your iPhone or iPad on a Windows PC. Keeping a secure backup of your iPhone or iPad is essential, especially if you want to safeguard important data like photos, messages, and app information. On Windows, you can create an iCloud backup of your device with utmost stage, which ensures that your backup won't be overwritten by future or massive backups. This way, you'll always have a reliable version to restore whenever needed. That's it, let's get started. It's worth pointing out that the Apple Devices app is now the main tool for managing a connected iPhone or iPad on a Windows PC, so make sure you have already installed this app on your device. And then you have to plug your iPhone or iPad into your PC using a compatible USB cable. Note that you may also need to tap Trust on your Apple device for safe authentication. Then you have to go to the Apple Devices app on your PC and then select your Apple device in the sidebar. Then you have to click General in the sidebar. Then you have to use the bullets to select where to back up your data. If you want to encrypt the data, make sure to select the Encrypt Local Backup option and set a password. Then you have to click on Backup Now option. After the backup is complete, make sure to select Manage Backups to see the backup file. Then you can right-click the backup you created and choose Archive. This extra step prevents the backup from being overwritten by the next local backup or automatically deleted if the computer runs low on storage space. And that's all it takes to make an iCloud backup of your iPhone or iPad on a Windows device. With this method, you can keep your data safe and easily restore it whenever necessary without worrying about losing all the backups. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty reliable method, make the most of it to keep your data safe and secure at all hazards. And I'll catch you up in the next one.